Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, this article is with regards to polio. What is a polio? It's a kind of a disease. Students, recently some cases of polio have been discovered in Pakistan and Afghanistan. And the whole idea that this disease has been eliminated from the earth. But if it remains in these two countries, it's a matter of grave concern. All right. But first, let's just understand about polio. What is a polio? It's a disease. See, you can see this picture, right? So a person who is polio, this is what it's like. Okay? It's short for poliomyelitis. It's a disease caused by a polio virus. All right. It's a disease caused by a polio virus. And this invades our nervous system, which can cause death or paralysis. And if a person suffers from a paralysis, this paralysis can last a lifetime. तो अगर पोलियो की वजह से किसी व्यक्ति को पैरालिसिस का अटैक पड़ता है तो वो लाइफ टाइम तक रहता है. Another thing about this polio virus is it mainly affects children. Okay, so the polio virus, it often affects children under 5. Right? Now, what are the causes? Polio is caused by mainly polio virus, which we have already learned, and this virus can spread from one person to another. Meaning what? What it means that it can spread from one person to another. Meaning polio is contagious in nature. एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को स्प्रेड हो सकता है, कंटेजियस है, राइट? एंड virus enters the body through the mouth, usually from contaminated food or water. ठीक है? तो पोलियो क्या है? Contagious है. It mainly affects children under 5 years of age and it is caused by a wild polio virus. ठीक है? Wild polio virus का मतलब क्या होता है? Wild polio virus is the original natural form of the virus that spreads in the environment. जो environment में फैलता है natural form में, original form में, that is what a wild type polio is. Okay, so what it causes, कैसे कैसे पता चलता है, क्या क्या symptoms होते हैं? It causes difficulty in breathing and irreversible paralysis, right? So mainly there are two types of polio. One is non-paralytic, meaning that this type does not cause paralysis. And symptoms include flu, fever, sore throat, and tiredness. Whereas another form is paralytic. Now this is more serious. It can cause muscles to stop working, which ultimately lead to paralysis. And sometimes it can make it hard to breathe or even lead to death. So this is a serious. What are some of the symptoms of polio? क्या क्या symptoms हैं? Fever, sore throat, headache, stomach pain, feeling tired, stiff neck, pain in the arms or legs. So these are some of the symptoms. अगर किसी person को ये सारे symptoms एक साथ है तो उसकी टेस्टिंग होती है, फिर पता चलता है कि पोलियो है कि नहीं. Now about polio campaign. Students, India has worked very hard to fight polio. The government started a campaign long back called the Pulse Polio Campaign. उसकी बहुत famous advertisement भी थी, 2 बूंद जिंदगी की, right? And this campaign aimed to vaccinate children under the age of 5 against polio. Now, students, don't worry about the vaccination, how actually vaccine helps in preventing polio and what is the working of vaccines. Don't worry about it. We'll discuss this in great detail in some other session. All right. So they used a vaccine that is given by drops in the mouth. And Remember, there is no cure. There is no cure for polio, but it is only preventable by vaccine. इसीलिए इंडिया में पोलियो कैंपेन स्टार्ट हुआ क्योंकि क्योर नहीं है बट इट इज प्रिवेंटेबल. कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं? बाय वैक्सीन. सो इंडिया में कैंपेन स्टार्ट हुआ था, पल्स पोलियो कैंपेन, and this campaign aimed to vaccinate all children under the age of 5 against polio. And what they used to do, they used to give vaccine that is given by, that is in the form of drops in the mouth, right? Now let's come to the article. So what the article is about, see, देखो शुरू में ही ऑथर क्या कह रहे हैं, ambitious goal of eradicating wild type polio by 2026 appears to have become tougher. Now, earlier there was a goal to eradicate wild type polio virus, and which would have been actually eliminated by done by 2026. But the author says it has now tougher, right? And although this disease is currently present in Pakistan and Afghanistan, सिर्फ पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान की ये केसेस आए हैं, राइट? ये देखो यहाँ पे मेंशन है पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान, बट इट इज शोइंग signs of a resurgence since 2023. यानी कि हमारा गोल तो क्या था, by 2026 we will eliminate polio virus from the face of earth, पूरे अर्थ से ही खत्म कर देंगे. बट 2023 से रिसर्जेंस देखने को मिल रहा है कि डिजीज वापस से आ रही है, right? So this whole article is all about polio. पोलियो के बारे में डेटा दे रखा है, and it contains lots and lots of data that this many cases have emerged from this place, so many cases. तो काफी सारा डेटा है यहाँ पर कि जैसे कि 2022 में पाकिस्तान में 20 केसेस थे एंड अफगानिस्तान में 2 केसेस थे. फिर 2023 में both countries have seen 266 cases. Okay. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ in 2024, अब 2024 जुलाई में ही already 6 cases in Pakistan and 5 cases from Afghanistan have been observed. तो ऑथर ये कह रहे हैं कि अभी तो 2024 कंप्लीट भी नहीं हुआ है. So there appears to be an uptick. Okay, there appears to be an uptick, and it might surpass even 2022 के जो cases थे वो भी surpass कर सकते. Now, another thing about this article is author is saying that the cases were not just limited to children. Rather, the circulation of virus is seen to be rising. So, what has been happened is कि scientists और researchers उन्होंने data collect किया environments. Okay, environment से they have collected few samples, and that sample is showing a positive sign. मतलब कि सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि children's तक limited है, but environment में ये virus present, positive samples were collected. Now this is a worrying sign, right? So you have to remember 2 things. First, Afghanistan and Pakistan seeing wild type polio virus cases. Secondly, environmental samples have been collected are positive. Now this rising positive sign shows that the polio campaigns, the campaigns that have been conducted, they have not achieved their target. Right? And this is a matter of concern. Why we are worried? Why we are worried? First of all, like we have mentioned, the polio virus is highly contagious. It can easily spread from one person to another. And although we had this idea that we have removed from most of the places, now with this news that there's some that we have seen some cases from Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now, why we are worried? Because this may spread to other places. So we can see international spread of the disease. And if this disease going to expand, that is a matter of course. Even if a country is polio free, the virus can still spread through travelers. And not everyone in the world has access to the polio vaccine, which makes it hard to completely eliminate the disease. So that is what said this whole article. Polio is a serious disease, and although it can be prevented with a vaccine, but with the recent resurgence in cases, this is worrying. Okay. Now, this is something right goes. Now, this is very important, and it poses great challenge to everyone. So students, just go through this article, right? And don't worry about the whole data. You might see this article is full loaded with the data and facts, but what you need to remember is that there have been cases of polio from Pakistan and Afghanistan. Secondly, positive environmental samples were collected, and this whole thing reflects that there may be a sign of international spread of polio. All right, students, that's it for today. Have a nice day.